Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this CURT 6-inch caster wheel for a trailer jack. So if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I recently purchased a camper, and where I park it on my property is kind of a tight spot, so I wanted to get a wheel with a tongue jack so I could potentially move it around a little bit. So I don't expect to pick this up and swirl it 360 degrees. I just want to be able to move the front end back and forth maybe a foot or so. So this supports 1,200 pounds, so this should be plenty strong for my camper. Pull this out and see what we have. So this is a plastic wheel here, and it has a pin. It looks like it has bearings in here maybe, and maybe has bearings in the wheel. It's hard to say. So here's a warning. It says fully retract or rotate jack before towing. This says ram capacity is 1,200 pounds, and here's a label that's worn off for some reason. So I'm going to go install this on my camper, and we'll see if I can easily move it or if I have to push it really hard. We'll just go check this out. Okay, so I've replaced the foot with the wheel. Now I can lower this down. I've currently jacked this up, but you could just have this connected to your vehicle before you put this on. And I don't plan on taking this to campsites with me. I just plan on using it at my home where I park it on this concrete pad. Okay, so we have the weight on there. Lift it up. Okay, so now the weight's off my jack. So I'll pull this out of the way. So now I need to unchock my wheels. Okay, so I have my wheels unchocked and my stabilizers are up. So let's see if I can move this now. Okay. Yeah, that moves pretty easy. Now, I don't want it in a different position right now, otherwise I'd probably move it more. Now, the wheel's at an angle. When I put this down, I should have had it probably straight if I want to move this direction. The reason I'm getting this is because first time I pulled the camper in, I was just inches from our house to be able to pull the stairs down, and I had to back it in and out 100 times to get it into the right spot. If I had this, I could have just put this on here, moved it 2 inches, and the stairs would have come down. So I think this is going to save me a lot of time. So in regular use, once I get in the right position, I'll probably lift it back up and put the foot on just for long-term storage. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.